Hi guys, today we're gonna do a hacker hunting account, but on my main account for TikTok. I have like a really long password. Ooh, why did it come up with that? I'm just gonna click exit. Bye. Okay, so let's go. But I think I spelled it wrong. It's really long, so it's really hard to remember. Yeah, it's like that long. By the way, there's this like really cool YouTuber called Black Knight 777, and by the way, if you want to subscribe and watch her videos, the link will be down below. And also, it's not Black Knight like in the night sky, it's like a knight in shining armor, like Black K-N-I-G-H-T, Black Knight. Okay guys, so if you spell it wrong, I just told you what it probably is. For some reason the theme is really weird. It is, let me just show you, let me just spin the wheel. Wow, I always get 20, there's like no point. Why is it not letting me click it? Oh, there we go. Okay, so yeah, that's one of my friends. I'm not sure who that is though. She hasn't come up yet. So basically, yeah, let me just show you the theme first. Clothes. It's really weird, but the clothes are really boring. NSB needs new ideas. Look, it's social media zombies, and they basically turned Instagram, the sign, the Facebook sign, and the Twitter sign all into one. And look at the clothes, they're so boring. Okay guys, let's go to the hacker hunting video. Why does it keep doing that? It's so annoying. Okay, so first we're gonna look up the there's this person called what is it? Phobius 2017, and she has like this team, so I'm gonna look her up now. Actually, it's Phobia Space 2017. So if you like type it in and you don't put a space, it doesn't come up. Yeah, it's this girl. She's on level 6. She's not on right now, but look at this. No one can hide from their phobia. Can't wait for the virus. Like, when is the virus? And you're probably a fake. Look at this. It's the exact same person, just with different clothes, but this is exact same. Wait, no, it's this one. Yeah, look, exact same. Actually, who's that? The Cult 1818. Think twice in life. I am a hacker. Wow, so scary. She's a butt. I want to see her thingy. I forgot what you call it. Profile. Wow, she's been a member for like about 2 months. Jeez. Phobia 2017. You were so scary. Oh, yeah, I can do it. Yeah. Oh, so scary. I just want to put emoji because I like emojis. Well, that person over there still hasn't come up. I'm not sure who it is. I'll check in a moment. I'm going to do... look, stop saying that you're not a deleted user. I want to check out. Team, I don't know what to say now. Wow, that's so rubbish. How is it on level 13? And that part hasn't even come up yet. That's just weird. Okay, so now on to the next person. Now, people have been saying that there's this group called the Dollies. So, I want to see first. Yeah, those are all my friends. I want to see first if there's one. I'm going to try the pin. Why is it in caps? Oh, yeah, because I put caps lock on. So, guys, and the pin. Look, there's all these people. And that's just weird. You know X-Men? That looks like Raven from X-Men, if anybody knows it. Just the face, but not the eyes or the mouth. Or that thing, whatever it is. It might be this, the pink dolly girl. The pink dolly girl has not... Oh, wow. That's just so fake. It might be that one. Come with me. Yeah, it's that one. Okay, now I'm going to try the green dolly. And see if that comes up. Wow. Maybe the blue. Wow. The gold. Imagine if I actually tried gold and it came up. Enter. What? Silver? There might just be like tons of deleted users. I want to try purple. Wow. That's like so rubbish. The orange. Oh, 10 years later. Jesus. My colourful friends are here to stay. Well, I typed in almost every colour of the rainbow and I still haven't seen it, so you. Okay, let's try the black dolly. Whoa. I wonder if it's that one. Oh, yeah, it's not that one. Maybe it's that one. Tinker Tinkle is, I'm gonna get you right now. Wow, that's like, wow. I just want to check out what my messages are, because it keeps moving and it's very annoying. Hi, please to who is that? Phobia. I know, I just told that she's pretty scary. TY. I just want to check out what that person is. What the flip? What's happening? There. There. Let me just auto her. Yay. Hello. Oh, is that Lancaster, my online friend? Oh, I wonder why she's not coming up. By the way, I think she's like VIP. She's really pretty. Let me just see what that's all about. Maybe. No, I don't want to save. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna go onto my other account now. Yes, I want to log out. By the way, it's Purple Hacker 14122. It's quite long. What? Why did it not work? Purple Hacker 14122, yeah. Okay, this is very weird. What? Why is it flipping not working? Did I just put this? Backspace, enter. What the? Well, I guess I can't do that then. Sorry about that, guys. That's very annoying. At 2. Okay. And sorry it's taking so long. MSP's annoying. Okay, I just want to see if... Why is it not? I never clicked... Okay, I'm just going to change my outfit. Oh, wow. Yeah, so if anybody likes my video, if you're VIP on MSP and if you have a code, please can you send it to me on MSP, because I just want to be it for like about 2 days. Yeah, I really want to be VIP. I have tons of hairs. I have fun hair. And if you don't know, there's this really rude girl in my school called Jessica Wilson. Yeah, she is so rude. She hacked me. Like, seriously. So I hacked her back and I deleted her user. But that's what she gets. Yeah, I got this. But it never works.